Perimeter nailing for drywall is basically when you nail or screw around the edges of each drywall sheet to keep everything tight and solid so your walls don't end up popping or sagging. So, like when you're putting up drywall, you want to make sure the edges are fastened right to the studs or blocking, spaced about 7 to 12 inches apart. This spacing is key because it keeps the drywall from moving or flexing too much. You got to do it all around the border of the sheet, making a continuous line of nails or screws. That way the edges don't get loose, which can cause cracks or bumps later on. Also, make sure you don't miss those corners since they're the most likely spots for damage. Using screws instead of nails can help prevent popping sounds later, especially in areas that shift or settle. And if you're cutting drywall to fit odd spaces, don't forget to add extra blocking behind those cut edges to nail into. Trust me, doing this right helps keep your walls looking smooth and sturdy. One of the biggest mistakes with perimeter nailing for drywall is spacing the fasteners too far apart, which makes the drywall edges weak and prone to sagging or cracking. Fix that by sticking to 7 to 12 inches max between nails or screws. Another common issue is missing nailing on cut edges or corners, leaving them unsupported. Always add blocking behind those spots and fasten securely. Lastly, using nails in places where screws would be better can lead to popping noises and loose drywall over time. Switch to screws on perimeter edges for a stronger hold. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to drywall and other home projects. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with homeowners who need their skills, making life easier for everyone involved.